Bilang bahagi ng layunin na mapalawak ang inclusive basketball sa bansa, opisyal nang nilagdaan ang kasunduan sa pagitan ng Special Olympics Pilipinas at Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. Yan ang ulat ni Darren Oclares.
Kasabay ng naging laro ng Gilas Pilipinas kontra sa Chinese Taipei para sa FIBA Asia Cup qualifier sa PhilSports Arena noong February 25, isang Memorandum of Agreement ang namagitan sa Special Olympics Pilipinas at Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. Alinsunod ito sa pinirmahang Memorandum of Understanding sa pagitan ng FIBA Foundation at Special Olympics International noong Setyembre na layong itaguyod ang inclusive environment sa larangan ng palakasan. Kabilang sa mga dumalo sa formal na pagpirma sa kasunduan ay sina SBP President Al Panlilio, Executive Director Attorney Erica D., Olympian swimmer at SOP President Akiko Thompson Guevara at SOP Treasurer Eduardo Lechauco. Sa naging panayam ng PTV Sports kay Thompson Guevara, nagpaabot siya ng pasasalamat sa SBP. Dagdag pa niya pagkakataon din ito para sa SOP na maturuan ng mga coaches at referees ng tamang pakikitungo sa mga persons with intellectual disabilities.
They're going to be helping us grow our basketball program, the coaches and our athletes skill-wise, but I think it's also, we both benefit from it because their coaches also will learn how to teach people with varied skills, varied spectrum, different learning skills. And yeah, just to try and promote the sport of basketball nationwide for all.
Ayon pa kay Thompson Guevara, hangad niya na mas palawakin pa ang kanilang inclusive programs kasama ang iba pang national at international sports associations.
That's the direction we're moving towards. We've already collaborated with PATAFA. So in last national games nila, they included us. Of course, swimming is one event, and I'm so happy to know that we have several coaches who are already coaching special needs swimmers already. So yes, that we have sports that we're really targeting, focus sports.
Magugunita na nito lamang Disyembre, nagsimula na ang pagtutulungan ng SBP at SOP na nagsagawa ng isang basketball clinic sa Barangay Santa Cruz sa Pasig City. Darren Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.